Okay, here I am at my new field control therapy workstation. There is my chair. I'm using the chiropractic table with a pillow on it for now. I moved some vials out of the way, and here is my kit arrangement. I need some better lighting, but we can see it's on this keyboard stand. I changed the level so that it all fits. And this first one I emptied, but this fits the foods and some others. The ones that you see in this row here are some extra vials through Dr. Yurkovsky's office. What I've got here that I've done with this kit arrangement, I've got, as you see, the bacteria, and the bacteria goes all the way across. There's 4 different sections on the row key, and then we're going to come back. There's the L for lime. I've got some stickers on those lime. Going to finish those stickers off. And eventually it stops right there for the lime. You see the empty holes. I've got the drug row next. It says AB there for the antibiotic, but the whole row is all different drugs and medications going down that whole row. Over here at the end of this row, you can see it's tap water and some other things that came up in that one. Then we have viral, and viral goes all the way down the row. We've got xenobiotics. Xenobiotics goes all the way down to the end. We've got mold and fungus over here, as you see that, MFUN, mold and fungus. And then we've got one that's the F for the fungus, and that goes all the way down here. And then over here we've got parasite. That P over there is parasite. Then dental is this next row. Vaccine 1. And this V2 is for vaccine 2. Here we have the M right here stands for metals. And then we go down, we've got metals and mercurials down that row. Over here is the EMF, arranged a bit different than David Siegel's, but he does have those all vials. So this is my first run setting these up. Here's X-ray. I wrote on that one X-ray, ionic radiation, and then there's some others that fit into that category. I've got antibiotic residue here, mercury, and the other metals here. And then when we get down here to this bottom bigger board, represents what David Siegel has in his 2 drawers. So I have my testing control vial, my vitality vial, and the total body vial. And then the brain is here. I put a little jewel at the top. And the other parts, there's the bone marrow is right here, hematopoietic zone. Here is bone marrow 1, there's bone marrow 2. I think they came out with a stronger bone marrow that I just got in. I have the top row up here. Up to that point right there, that top row is the checklist on the left side of the exam sheet. Then we go down with the green eyes at the top. If you see these, I put these little green eyeballs. It's got a pupil that moves around. So that's degenerative organs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I have these little eyes that I stuck on here. Where is this one? Okay, here we are. These eyes, these are the stressed organs, and they're all in a row as well. Coming across here, stressed organs. Reticular endothelial system is here, Regen X, Peyer's patches. Then I have adrenal, male row. I come across with this white marker here. This is the female row. Going further down, female row. I've got a stomach row, rectum, respiratory, face, mouth, throat. We come over here. You see this one with the yellow smiley face. This is one of the cranial nerves. Here's another cranial nerve. All my cranial nerves have yellow smiley faces on them. I've got right here with this heart on it. This is the heart row. All the heart. Parts of the, I'll remember what these are. I don't remember what those are. These are kidney left and kidney right. DNA, as you see the label, which DNA is these 3 rows. All of these 3 are DNA, even the blue one up here. Everything that's blue, DNA. This one is the arm row. This is connective tissue. You can see here going up, so it's DNA at the bottom, then kidney, which was on the left side, and on the right side I have leg, vertebrae, general connective, cranial sacral, going down the row. This one up here, as you can see, that says ear, go down that row. Arm, we have lobes of the brain, frontal, as you can see, that one says right there, that's frontal. We have PNS, CNS, and control centers 1 and control center 2.